There's two sides to Tyviso Rewards. The first one is becoming an advertiser. So in order to do that, we send you a login and then you reach a page that looks like this. So in this particular example, we are logged in as Gusto. So you've got an example of the ad here. There's a couple of different elements on the ad. So you've got a main picture, you've got the text underneath, subtext as well. And then what you can see is our I button here as well. What the I button does, it gives you a bit more information about the ad in question. So for example, how to claim the offer. So in this instance, they've used click the link below, choose your recipes and enter this particular code at checkout. So when an advertiser is uploading an ad, there's two types of ad that you can use. The first is uploading to the rewards library. So the rewards library is where all of the advertisers show their ads. So you would click rewards library here, click next, and then just fill in all of the fields. So a key thing to call out here is that we have two approval status types. The first is auto approved. And what this means is as soon as your ad is in a library, anyone who picks to run it can work with it immediately. So it's automatically approved. You still receive an email saying, your ad has been selected, but it's ready to go. Then the option is approval required. In this instance, you would receive an email every time someone wants to run your ad, and then you'd give it the final approval, a yes or no. So fill in all of these details. Key things to call out here is the info button discount and the info button description. Using the previous example, the info button discount is this one here. It says 65% off, and a description is these ones here on the side. Once your ad is submitted, it'll come to us at Tyviso to approve it, just to double check everything, make sure your tracking's correct and like that. And as soon as you've done that, you'll see your ad in the rewards library, which can be accessed here in the top left-hand corner. So if I scroll down for all of the active advertisers, here's Gusto. Now, the really cool thing here is that actually you have access as an advertiser to this screen. So you can actually see what other brands are doing, get a bit of inspiration from them, and you can basically see, exactly how you fit in and what other choices brand hosts have. The final thing that's good to know is that the other option of when you're uploading the ads is that you have a secondary option of private offers. So you can upload once into the library, or if you select private offer, what this allows you to do is to do the same process, however, skipping the library element. So if you want to work with a particular host on a network, you just hit that, select who it's visible to, and it goes straight to them as a host. So to use the example here from Gusto, you can either put a 65% one into library, and then let's say Boohoo is the host of the page. You really want to work with them because it's an amazing brand fit. You can use a private offer function and offer Boohoo 75% off as an example.